We are under Mercedes-Benz 220 SE Coupe with the Hydrak. It was restored 7 years ago, or about 500 miles. I'm gonna point out a few things underneath the car. Exhaust system's all new. They use genuine Mercedes exhaust. New tank. Rebuilt fuel pump. The rear end was disassembled and taken apart. All new fuel and brake lines. All the suspension has been redone. The floors were solid. They didn't replace any of the floors. See all the factory spot welds and seam seal and everything. The floors were painted when they restored it. But look at these floors here. This was a solid car when it went in. More of the exhaust. Here's the Hydrak transmission. It was rebuilt as well. There's the actuator there. Helps identify it. Front suspension's been rebuilt as well. See, they redid all the factory paint markings. Engine was rebuilt. New pistons, all torn all the way down. Look at these floors here. Very nice. I love seeing all the spot welds. Try and show you a close-up of some of them. All the correct indentations and everything.